thanks for watching this. Today I'm going to show you some variations on the Bossa Nova samba beat on the right hand. I strongly advise you to have a look at the first video before you attempt this one. So make sure you get it right and you're able to play it accurately. Right hand wise, we're doing the same chords, that is to say A minor 7 for 2 bars, B minor for 1 bar, and E7 for the last bar. It's the same chord progression that we used on the first exercise. What I'm going to teach you now is the 2 more rhythmic cells. You remember the first one, which was splitting the beat in 2 and playing thumb and index, middle and ring fingers together on the upbeat. So downbeat with the thumb, upbeat with those 3. Doom, check, no big mystery. The second rhythm was splitting the beat into 4 notes, and we're playing the first 2, skipping the third and playing the fourth. So you get something kind of like doom, tak, ta, doom, tak, tak, or 1 E and 1 E, 1 E, Let's call this one rhythm C, okay? It's basically 3 notes in every beat, just like, rhythm B. But instead of having the long note as the second, we've got the long note now as the first, and it overlaps the second. So if you think of the beat as 4 notes, 1 E and 2 E and we are playing 1, you skip E and then you play and so it's da, 1 and 2 and 4, 3 actually. Now D, this is 4 notes in every beat, and this time we're playing the first, the second and the third is the long one which overlaps the fourth. So what you get is 1 E and 2 E and the last one is 2 notes in every beat, but instead of splitting it evenly in 1 and 2 and, we're still going to split the beat in 4, and we play the first 2 and leave the other 2. So it rushes a little bit. Instead of having the even distribution of the down and up beat, we have 2 notes, and then when the upbeat comes, just rest. So if you think of the beat as 1 E and 2 E and what we are doing is 1 E, 2 E. Okay, now a quick recap. Rhythm A is this. Rhythm B goes like this. Rhythm C. Rhythm D. And rhythm E. Good. These are all the rhythmic cells you need. It's just a matter of combining them and coming up with variations. Variation 1 is going to be C, B, B, A. So what you get is this. Variation 2 is going to be A, B, B, D. So what you get is. And variation 3 is rhythms A and E, and just A, E, A, E, A, E. And the difference is, this time on the A, I'm going to be plucking everything together on the downbeat, and just those top 3 on the upbeat, so you get this. So another cool trick we can use is to play around with the bass note and alternate the root note with the fifth. The way to find the fifth is to go either down a string and stay on the same fret. So in the case of A minor, let's say, we're playing an open A for a root note. So all you do is just play the string below it. on the open E, and just alternate the downbeat notes that you play with your thumb, alternate with the fifth. So what you get is, let's say, variation 1. You see what I'm doing? Alternating the bass note with the fifth A and then E. The other place you can find the fifth is to go up a string and 2 frets. So if you're going from the A minor, A is your root note, open string, 5th fret, you will find on the 2nd fret of the 4th string another 5th of A. So you can either go down and do this, or go up. It's nicer to go down. So I'm just showing you how to go up, because when you reach the E, the only way is up. There's nothing below the open E string. So you have to play this B here, which is on the 2nd fret of the 5th string. Okay, variation 1. Variation 2. And variation 3. Okay, so now this is variation 1 with the bass movement. Now variation 2 with bass movement. And variation 3 with bass movement. Again, thanks very much for watching this. I hope you enjoyed this video, and make sure you practice, walk before you can run. Do it very slowly, try to do it accurately, and make sure you understand clearly each rhythmic cell and each variation before you try and play them. And remember, practice, 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 try to get yourself a caipirinha and plonk away the bossa beat.